Steam friends list not loading. Don't worry, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Restart your router if needed and make sure Steam isn't being blocked by any firewall. Next, restart Steam completely. Exit the client, exit Steam, and relaunch it again. Open Task Manager and make sure no Steam processes are running before reopening it. Now, clear the Steam cache. Go to the Steam settings, and then in the Steam settings, find Downloads, and in Downloads, clear Download Cache. This often fixes friend list issue not loading. Make sure Steam servers aren't down. You can check status.steampowered.com to confirm if there is a server outage causing the problem. If all else fails, log out and back in. Go to your account and then sign out of account, and then log back in. This resets the client and usually resolves stubborn friend list errors. And that's it. Your friends list should be loading smoothly again. Simple, fast, and ready to get back to gaming. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.